Hey everyone, Steven TheSalonGuy here, and honestly, I've been kind of over it lately. I've spent years creating high-quality haircut tutorials, testing hair products, building a real brand, and pouring everything I had into this channel and into the Salon Guy. Meanwhile, we've got quote-unquote influencers who've never spent a single day behind the chair as a hair professional launching hair product lines, slapping their names on private label bottles, and brainwashing people into buying their fake, scammy marketing funnels. They talk about abs, they talk about skin, clothes, confidence, but it's all smoke and mirrors. Somehow, they're selling products and making millions of dollars. I've been doing this for real. I've seen thousands of clients in the salons I've worked in over the last 30 years. I've worked for two of the largest beauty companies in the world. I've been on television, red carpets, been to fashion events. I've done the work. Gary Vaynerchuk follows me on social media. I'm in his new book, Crushing It. I've built a product line that helps people feel good about their hair. And I've built a YouTube channel with over 1 million subscribers from scratch without selling out. I started 15 years ago. I was one of the first people in the salon industry to create a brand and become a media personality. But lately, I've been burnt out. I felt trapped in a loop, just pumping out tutorials, chasing views, hoping it leads to sales just to survive another month. That's not the vision I had for this channel and my brand. And I know you can feel that energy because for those of you who watch my channel and who have been with me all this time, you know what I'm about. So here is the truth. I'm not quitting hair content, but I am evolving it. From now on, I'm bringing you deeper into my world, the full spectrum, the full picture. You'll see haircut tutorials, hair product testing, branding, marketing, what goes behind building something that really does inspire you, but not in some sort of scammy, smoke and mirrors type of way. So this is the start of the Salon Guy 2.0. No BS, no gimmicks, just real advice, real content creation, and brand strategy from someone who's actually lived it.